Traveling is always an exciting experience. We get to go to the other country to see how do people speak differently and live differently. Travel creates memories that can last a lifetime. Hi, I'm Shin Yee. I'm an artist. I'm also an ordinary girl who loves to travel. During a trip, we love to take a lot of beautiful photos or fun videos. All we do is to treasure the precious memories. But do you realize that all those details, memories or thoughts could be easily forgotten after a long time? After I've started to create travel journal, I found out that having a travel journal helps me to preserve more of the cute, precious and tiny little things. Letting me to slow down and reflect, it kind of brings me back to the fun time when I was recording the travel journal or reading back the travel logs. In this online workshop, you'll be able to learn how to create a travel journal from A to Z. I'll introduce you the different purposes and usage of travel journal, basic skills of planning the layout, how to attach the collaterals in your journal book, and lastly, how to illustrate buildings, transportation, or food that is inspired from your trip. Join me to kickstart your very own travel journal. Hope to see you in the class.